Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put silica gel in shoes. First, gather your silica gel packets. Make sure they are dry and not torn. Next, give your shoes a good clean, removing any dirt or mud. This step is important for overall shoe hygiene. Finally, ensure your shoes are completely dry inside and out before you place any packets. Moisture can reduce the gel's effectiveness. Now, let's talk about placement. For most shoes, 1 to 2 silica gel packets per shoe is ideal. You want to place them strategically, usually near the toe and heel areas, where moisture tends to accumulate. If you have larger boots or athletic shoes, you might find that using 3 or even 4 packets per shoe provides better moisture control and odor reduction. To keep your shoes fresh, remember to replace or reactivate your silica gel packets every 2 to 4 weeks. This ensures they remain effective at absorbing moisture and preventing those unwanted odors. Using silica gel is a simple yet powerful way to extend the life of your footwear and keep them feeling new. Always store your shoes in a cool, dry environment for the best long-term benefits. You can easily reactivate your silica gel packets instead of throwing them away. Just bake them on a baking sheet at 250 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 to 2 hours. You'll know they're ready when their color changes back to blue or clear, indicating they're dry again. This saves money and reduces waste. Also, for staying hydrated on the go, check out the Owala water bottle and other great deals in the description below. It's a fantastic way to keep your drinks cold all day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.